Good morning. My name is Pierre. I am from France and I'm here in Sacred Arkana Valley Center. What I want to say is, if one day you have the opportunity to listen to your heart, if you have a hard time in your life and you receive this kind of a call, the call of Ayahuasca, which is an intuition that all the tools that have been given to you in life, like psychologists, therapy, and you think that is not enough, that may be a way to identify that call. You need something more powerful, something more spiritual, something's gonna get inside yourself, inside your mind. This is the Ayahuasca call. So I advise you to follow this call. I had a lot of issues, as many people here in this room, for many years. And I can state that after 2 weeks of Ayahuasca treatment, I am a free man. I am full of love, full of compassion, and I just want to share that to you. The only thing you have to do, listen to your heart. Come to this place and study yourself. The shaman will help you with Mother Ayahuasca. They will go deep. You will go through your darkest area. But not only that, you will cure it. Cure. It is important to consider the Ayahuasca not a magic pill. It is a tool, a spiritual tool. And it works out pretty well. And I guarantee you will be out of business, out of trouble, if you make the decision to come here at Arkana, Sacred Valley Center. The staff is absolutely fantastic. And the shamans, they are a gift. They are a gift to you, and you will be cured. 18 people last week, 12 people last week, which is 30 people, all cured, all sorted out. So I invite you to consider this retreat as a gift from the nature, from Mother Ayahuasca. You will be cured, you will be healed.